Hi everybody, it's Gina from Carver Distillery. Let's make a spring cocktail. Let's make a Carver Gimlet with a little twist. Let's get started. We are going to take 2 ounces of our Carver gin, super easy drinking gin. If you want a little bit more of the gorgeous juniper coming through, you could pick up a bottle of Grimm Farm gin and use that. We're gonna take 1 ounce of freshly squeezed lime juice. And you know when I'm saying freshly squeezed lime juice. And 1 ounce plain simple syrup, though no, a little bit of a twist. Add some fresh thyme sprigs in there and get that flavor melded through. And then we're gonna take beautiful Minnesota Pure Ice and put that in our shaker. We're gonna shake up a little bit, about 20 seconds vigorously. We wanna get all of the flavors melded together. The gin, the thyme simple syrup, and the freshly squeezed lime juice, right? Beautiful Gimlet. And then a gorgeous sphere from Minnesota Pure Ice. And then we're gonna strain this over a beautiful lowball. Feel free, if you would want to, make it maybe a Collins. Fill this up, some ice in here, or if you wanted it more in a beautiful coupe, you could do that. And here is the beautiful springtime. We're gonna take some pea flour and pour that right over the top. Isn't that beautiful? And then we are going to take a wheel from our lime and some really beautiful thyme, fresh thyme. Tuck it right into the corner, and there you have your Carver Springtime Gimlet. Have a great week, everybody.